Hi, Chris. We're so proud of you, and we're following your adventures there. I hope Eddie is on his best behavior and his snoring isn't keeping you awake too much at night.
Eddie, lions make a lot of noise when they snore, but we've been keeping Eddie inside a container, inside a cupboard, so his snores have been muffled. But he rode up to space with me, and he's been flying in space the whole time with me, Your Excellency. Thank you for giving him to me.
Chris, be careful he doesn't sneak out of that cupboard. He's quite an adventurer, as you know. We got a whole bunch of great students here with some questions. Let's get on with them.
Yes. We have a first question here for you.
Hello, my name is Emily Zhu, and I'm in grade 6. I heard that your sense of taste gets weaker in space. Is that true?
Emily, your sense of taste, it's sort of like when you have a cold. And when you have a cold, all of the stuff that normally drains out of your nose gets plugged up there. And part of your taste is from your tongue and your smell and your senses. And when you can't smell, your food is hard to taste. It's the same for astronauts, because when we get to space, there's no gravity to pull all the stuff out of our head. And so we get sort of a swollen head, and it fills up our nose and makes our tongue kind of swollen, and you can't taste your food. But after a week or so, your body gets used to it, your nose opens up again, and you can taste your food okay. But for the first week, it's like having a cold, and nothing tastes very strong or nothing tastes very good.
Another question.
Hi, my name's Connell Sloan from Corpus Christi School in grade 6, and I was wondering what would happen if you put a marshmallow outside the space station.
Well, you can see right through that window there, that's outside the space station. There's just a couple layers of glass between us and what is out there, which is the vacuum of space. There's no air. It's completely empty. And in the sun, in the shiny part, it's 150 degrees. And in the shade, it's minus 120 degrees. So let's take your marshmallow and take it outside. Well, first, there's no pressure. And in a marshmallow, there's all that sort of air pockets all trapped in there. That's what makes it all spongy. So your marshmallow would swell right up. And then if it went outside in the dark, if we were behind the Earth, your marshmallow would swell up and freeze. And so you'd have like a marshmallow snowball. And if your marshmallow was in the sun, if you went out on the sunny side, it would swell up and get all gooey. Not like roasting a marshmallow, but you'd have a big gooey mass of a marshmallow, sort of like a big eyeball or something. So marshmallows wouldn't be very good on the outside of the spaceship. But if we had a marshmallow on the inside of the spaceship, I'd eat it.
Hi, I'm Madeline Kushner from Corpus Christi in grade 6, and my question is, you have been experiencing weightlessness for much longer than you have in your previous trips into space. Do you find there's a difference?
Madeline, the big difference